So today we will study about the Down syndrome. Down syndrome is also called trisomy 21. The trisomy 21 is a congenital condition that makes an extra copy of the 21st chromosome. In diagram you can see, and this extra chromosome causes the mental and physical developmental delay. Testing of Down syndrome during pregnancy. It affects about 1 in every 800 babies. Women aged 35 and older have a high risk of having a child with the condition. Amniocentesis is used to detect the possible abnormalities in unborn children. The common physical signs include decreased muscle tone at birth, excess skin at the nape of the neck, flattened nose, upward slanting eyes, small ear, small mouth, white short hands with short fingers, separated joints between the bone of the skull, single crease in the palm of the hand, and white spot on the colored part of the eye. The mosaic Down syndrome. About 2% of 4% of Down syndrome cases are mosaic. Mosaic means the mosaic Down syndrome only affects some cell in the body and the rest of the cells are unaffected. The mosaic Down syndrome can sometimes go undetected because the person does not have all the physical features. Currently, there is no cure for Down syndrome. The treatment are aimed at fixing medical conditions that occur because of the syndrome. The Down syndrome medical condition may include congenital heart defects, gastrointestinal abnormalities, lymphatic leukemia, eye and ear problems, underactive thyroid, hip and joint problems. Children may have delayed mental and social development, the impulsive behavior, poor judgment, short attention span, and slow learning. The people with Down syndrome are living longer than even before. They can live well into 40s and 50s. They can live independent and productive lives. Most adults living with Down syndrome have an increased risk of dementia, means loss of memory. The vision of the National Down Syndrome Society is to be an advocate for the value, acceptance and inclusion of people with the Down syndrome. The National Down Syndrome Society of NDSS has provided more than 3 million towards direct research. Indiana Down Syndrome participates in the NDSS sponsored Buddy Walk campaign to raise money for the Down Syndrome research. The Down Syndrome Indiana offers a number of programs and services on their website. New parent information and resource packet, support for research and advocacy, financial assistance for youth who attend the camp, informational and educational conference, parent support group, moms night out events, family picnic, self advocate meeting and social activities. So this is all about the Down syndrome.